Dear students, I am going to teach you centroid formula in this video. For this, let me consider a triangle ABC having coordinates A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, and let's draw a median AD which is the midpoint of BC. So by midpoint formula, we can get two coordinates, that is x and y, as x2 plus x3 divided by 2, because it is our midpoint formula, right? This plus this divided by 2, and for y it is y3 plus y2 divided by 2. So I got the coordinates of D as x2 plus x3 divided by 2 and y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Now we have to find the distance or the centroid, that is G, the point G at x comma y. This is divided in ratio 2:1. From section formula, we know that mx1 plus nx2 divided by m plus n, and for y, my1 plus ny2 divided by m plus n. Now, here are x1, we know our m is 2 and n is 1. So, m is 2 and n is 1. And what is our x1? Let me take this. This will be our x1 and this will be my y1, right? So your x1 is nothing but x2 plus x3 divided by 2, and your x2 is nothing but your x1 now. Okay, so substituting in the formula, m is 2 into x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus n is 1 into x1. Since this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, okay, we can cancel these 2 and these 2. So we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, because 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So this is my x coordinate. Now for y, similarly we can solve for y, because our m and m is 2, n is 1. So y1 is nothing but y2 plus y3 by 2. See here, this thing is our y2. y2 plus y3 divided by 2 is our y1. So y1, substituting in the formula again. So 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus y1. 2 get cancelled. So we get y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This 3 we get it from 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have two coordinates, that x and y. So for a centroid, remember dear students, the formula is for x, it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and for y it is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. I am sure you have understood what is centroid formula. So till now you have learned section formula, midpoint formula, distance formula. The first formula you have learned was distance formula, then section formula and midpoint formula. Today you have learned centroid formula, or to find the center. To find the center, what you have to do? You have to add all the x-axis, x points. See, I'll just tell you a very easy step to remember. To find the center, what you have to do is, you just add all the x divided by 3, because there are 3 sides. Same way, for y, add all y divided by 3. So you will never forget this formula. Isn't it, students? So I'm sure you have understood very well.